Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Military Logic Lab. The Red Sea, once the quiet lifeline of global trade, is now turning into one of the most dangerous waters on the earth. Friends, today's update is nothing short of explosive. Houthis rebel attacks are increasing again. International warships are moving in stronger formations and the situation is shifting hour by hour. So stay with me till the end because what's happening in the Red Sea right now may soon shape the entire Middle East. The new wave of Houthis attack. In the last 48 to 72 hours, Houthis forces in Yemen have launched multiple drones and long-range missiles targeting commercial vessels passing through the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. These attacks were not random. The Houthis claim the ships had links to Israel or the US, but global shipping companies say we are not part of any war, we just want to sail. What's more serious? Latest missiles were longer range than before. Some drones attempted low altitude sea skimming attacks. At least two commercial ships sent to distress calls before the US Navy intercepted incoming threats. This shows Houthis are upgrading both range and targeting precision. US Navy's aggressive response. The US Navy has now entered what commanders call expanded defensive posture. This means warships are spread wider across the Red Sea. Early warning radars are on the continuous scan mode. Intercept rates are increasing every single day. In the last few days, a US destroyer shot down multiple drones. Several ballistic missiles were intercepted mid-air. Patrol aircraft P-8 Poseidon has been scanning above shipping lane non-stop. The US has issued issued a warning any attack that threatens US personnel or commercial traffic will be dealt with immediately and decisively. UK Royal Navy joins with high intensity. The United Kingdom has stepped in again. A Royal Navy destroyer equipped with Sea Viper air defense has been positioned to support US operations. UK's Ministry of Defense said the Red Sea is now a critical international waterway under threat, and they will assist in any hostile engagement. This joint naval presence signals that the West is preparing for long-term involvement, not a short mission. Why the Red Sea matters so much? Here's the real reason this tension is getting global attention. 15% of world trade passes through the Red Sea. Oil tankers plus container ships depend on this route. A single attack can raise worldwide fuel and shipping prices because of recent strikes. Several companies have diverted ships around Cape of Good Hope, adding 10-12 extra days. Insurance rates have skyrocketed. Some shipping giants temporarily paused Red Sea routes, meaning a regional conflict is now affecting the global economy. Analysts warn of a bigger conflict. Experts are concerned that the new Houthis attack might trigger something much bigger. There are three major risks. Direct US strikes on Yemen. Launch sites. If attacks continue, the US may target missile bases, radar stations, or storage depot inside Yemen. Number 2. Iran getting involved indirectly. Houthis are openly supported by Iran. Any escalation could pull Iran into the spotlight. Number 3. A full naval blockade or no sail zone. This would be a major move and could signal the start of a larger regional conflict. Right now, diplomats are trying to calm the situation, but military experts says things are moving in the opposite direction. What Houthis are trying to achieve? Houthis have repeatedly said they will continue attacks as long as Israel remains involved in the Gaza conflict. Their goals include showing they can control critical trade waters, pressuring the West indirectly, gaining political leverage in Yemen negotiations, positioning themselves as a regional resistance force. Whether you agree with their politics or not, their strategy is definitely working. The entire world is now forced to pay attention. So, right now, the Red Sea is standing on a knife's edge. More attacks, more interceptions, more warships entering the zone. If one big strike happened, this conflict could expand beyond Yemen and turn into a multi nation military confrontation. I will keep tracking every update, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notification for the next breaking report. Stay safe, stay informed. This is your Red Sea military update. Thank you very much.